you could do. I'm going to ask you a second question. You cannot duplicate the answers. If you do, you're going to hear this sound. I'll say try again and give you another answer, okay? It's going to be a little bit tougher this time, so we're going to give you 25 seconds. Okay? Are you ready? All right, let's remind everyone of Nina's answer. 25 seconds on the first question. At what age do kids these days start using computers? Name something people describe as being rotten. Name a popular U.S. landmark. Name something that can be cherry flavored. Name something people try to cover up. I said, at what age do kids these days start using computers? You said 6. Survey said. Name something people describe as being